Wipe down. To clean a surface completely by rubbing it with a cloth, sponge or paper. I am wiping down the water on the table with a cloth that you spilled. Wipe up. To clean or remove liquid, dirt, or spills from a surface. I need to wipe up the water you spilled. Plug in. To connect a device to an electrical outlet or another device so it can work. I plugged in the charger to charge the phone. Throw away. To get rid of something by putting it in the trash. She has thrown away her water bottles. Mop up. To clean up a liquid or mess using a mop or cloth. She is mopping up the water on the floor. Tidy up. To clean or organize a place by putting things in their proper places. He is tidying up his toys in the box. Rinse off. To wash something quickly with water to remove dirt, soap, or other substances. He rinsed off his hand and face before lunch. Hang up. Put something on a hook or hanger. I hang up my bag after coming from school. Next part link in the description and info cards on YouTube video.